In this video, I'm going to show you 7 free apps that you can use to make money with your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Clutter. In this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so we're going to talk about these 7 free apps, and these are free apps that you can download to your phone so you can start making money this week. I get a lot of YouTube comments of people who are asking how they can start an online business, how they can make some side income, but they don't have a lot of money to invest. So these are going to give you some ideas on how you can use these free apps to generate, $100, $200 per week or more, depending on how you use these apps. If you don't have a job, this is not an excuse to not make money. Luckily, we live in an age where you can now work for yourself. But before we get into the video, if you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, meaning that you can make $50, $100, $200 per day promoting other people's product, and I'm going to put a link below in the description below for you to check it out. It's a free guide that I created, which is going to show you how you can build an income, a passive income, promoting other people's product using affiliate marketing. So you can grab it 100% free by just going into the description below. With that said, let's jump into my computer so I can show you those 7 free apps. Alright, so let's begin. The first app that I have for you, it's called Wag. This is an app for people who like dogs, and basically it's a dog walking service. I'm going to put a link for all the apps that I mentioned in this video in the description below so you can get more information. You can make some pretty good money. In fact, this app has 34,000 ratings in 4.8 stars, so it's pretty well rated. And you can look up some of the reviews that they have on people who have made some money using this app. You can go on Google and you can research more information on this app if you want more details. So the next one that I have for you is called Declutter, and this is for people who want to get rid of, like if you have a DVD player, a phone, an Xbox or a PlayStation, things like that, and you want to sell it. This is an easy way for you to sell it, and it has pretty good ratings as well. And you can make some money if you have some stuff that you don't use, some old phones that you don't use laying around the house. You can use this to perhaps make $50, $100 or something like that. And this is meant to just make you some quick cash if you need some quick cash and you have stuff laying around that you don't use, old TV and stuff like that. You can definitely use this app to sell it. The next one is pretty well known, and it's called TaskRabbit. This is for people who are looking to work part-time, doing simple tasks, home repairs, cleaning, yard work, shopping, delivery, and things like that. So different tasks. Basically, you download the app and you find different jobs in different categories, and you can get paid for those specific tasks. You work on your own time, you set your own schedule. So this is one of the benefits of using apps like this, that you don't have a boss. You basically work the hours that you want to work, and you make as much money or as little money as you want to make. This other app that I have for you is called OfferUp, and this is pretty similar to Declutter, but basically you can sell anything that you want. If you want to sell a couch, you want to sell a car, anything that you want to sell, you can sell it on this app. And basically this is for people who want to get rid of stuff and basically make some money from the stuff that they're not using anymore. This other app that I have for you is called Instacart, where basically you get to shop in grocery stores and you get to deliver those groceries to clients, and you get paid for each delivery. You can set your own hours, you can set your own schedule, and you can make as much money as you want depending on how many hours you put into the app. There's some people who are actually making a full-time living using an app like Instacart. Most of the people who are using an app like this is because they don't have a lot of time, but they're able to pay someone else to do their grocery shopping. So they'll tip you money, and they actually are willing to pay a premium in order to get their grocery shopping done. So this is definitely something that you could do if you don't have a job or you're looking to make some extra money. This is definitely something that you can do in your spare time. The next app that I have for you is called DoorDash. And DoorDash, perhaps you know DoorDash, it's very similar to Uber Eats. Basically, you get to deliver from restaurants to a client, and you get paid for each delivery. Now the best part about DoorDash is that you get paid weekly. So if you start working for DoorDash this week, you can cash out your earnings the following Monday, and basically you can make anywhere between 200 to 400 up to $800 per week, depending on how busy the city that you're working in is and how many hours you put into the app. Now, I did some research on YouTube for DoorDash, and apparently there's people who are making up to $1,000 per week, but they're putting a lot of hours. Also, they're in a very busy city, so it just depends. Basically, pick up a food in one place, and then you take it to that customer, and you get paid for that delivery. Usually, you can make anywhere between $5 to $12 per delivery. The last app that I have for you is called the Money app, and this is a cash rewards app. You get paid for completing simple tasks. They'll give you different tasks for you to complete, and if you do complete them, then you can get your cash to your PayPal account pretty fast. As you can see from the reviews, they have 53,000 reviews, 4.9 ratings. So a lot of people are saying a lot of good things about this app, and I did research on Google, and people are actually posting payment proof saying that they do get paid from this app. You do have to spend some time doing some of the tasks, but in the end, if you have the time and you can make an extra $100 per week or more, then you can definitely use something like this to supplement that income. All right, so now that you know the apps, so you can download them, you can apply to see if you can get approved for some of those ads. Some of those ads are available worldwide, meaning that you can do this from anywhere. You can start making money in your spare time. If you already have a full-time job, you can use these apps to make some side income, maybe $100 per week, $200 per week. If you want to learn more information, I'm going to put some resources below in the description for you to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, all I want you to do is to give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.